Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a few of my favorite beauty hacks with you. Hack number 1 is how to achieve longer, thicker, more beautiful eyelashes. This is hands down one of my favorite, most recommended products. This is the MaxeyLash Eyelash Enhancing Serum. This is my second tube of this product. I was amazed with the results that I had achieved after finishing one full tube. So these are my actual real results. The top picture is before and the bottom picture is after using one full tube. The initial effects of MaxeyLash typically appear between 7 and 10 days, but you'll notice that your lashes become firmer, darker, and longer. One tube of MaxeyLash should last about 3 to 4 months if you're using every night. You should use this sparingly as a little bit goes a long way. MaxeyLash is an eyelash conditioner containing active ingredients, improving the length, volume, and darkness of your eyelashes. This is super easy to incorporate into your everyday routine. It's been a couple months now since I finished my first tube of MaxeyLash, so my lashes are due for some loving. It's super easy to apply. You just apply it on the top and bottom lash line, just like you would a liquid eyeliner. After using MaxeyLash the first time, I received so many compliments on my lashes that I had never received before. I don't feel the need to wear falsies or lash extensions or even mascara all the time anymore. I do have a discount code for you guys that you can use at checkout. The discount code is B. I also reached out to MaxeyLash and we've been able to set up a giveaway for you guys. So I will have a giveaway including all the details, rules, and information on my Instagram and Facebook. So be sure to check that out to enter for a chance to win. Hack number 2 is do-it-yourself body glow, shimmer, highlighter, basically Fenty body lava. So the first thing you're going to need is either a highlighter or eyeshadow. This one here is perfect for this opportunity. Sadly, I dropped this e.l.f. highlighter and it's smashed. That's alright, we're going to use it. I'm also going to darken mine using the Ofra Face and Body Mineral Shimmer, and this is in shade Bronze. So I'm going to mix the two. I'm also going to need a small funnel and baby oil. It's up to you if you want to use the original container, or you could use a travel size container like this one, or even a spray bottle. I'm going to fill up the spray bottle with the baby oil. Then using my funnel, I'm going to scoop in the lighter shade of highlighter first. FYI, you're going to need a lot of highlighter or shimmer powder, so whatever you're using, whether it's one product or multiple products, keep in mind you're going to need a lot. It's basically a 50-50 ratio of shimmer and oil. Then you're going to shake this up and watch the magic happen. Look how beautiful this is. So there are a few ways that you can achieve this same idea. This is a thinner consistency, as it is just oil-based. This is stunning in the summer all over. Basically anywhere that you want the sun to hit and give a little extra glow. A couple other options would be adding your shimmery powder to either a lotion or a makeup setting spray. So here's an example using lotion. I'm going to fill this up about halfway. Then again, using my funnel and highlight powders, I'm going to fill this up, give it a good shake, repeat if needed, and your product is ready. So this is going to be a thicker consistency and definitely more pigmented. So it's really just preference on what you're looking for, as well as product color and skin tone. You could add multiple colors to really customize this, or even add glitter if you want more extreme shimmer to the look. This only cost me a couple dollars to make a few different options, so it's a great way to get a similar trendy look on a budget. Hack number 3 is how to revive dried out mascara. So maybe you're just using a mascara that dries out quickly, or maybe you have a mascara that's your ride or die and you just don't want to throw it out yet. Either way, mascara can get dried out. You can see here I'm applying pressure and it's doing nothing. So to revive it and get a few extra uses out of it, I'm going to use some contact solution. You could also use eye drops. I'm going to apply a couple drops in the tube, give it a good pump and stir, and voila, good as new, or at least for a time or two. Hack 4, how to sanitize makeup sponges or beauty blenders. So here I have 2 that need a good cleaning. I'm going to clean these as normal. I'm first going to apply some water and dish soap. So the typical squeeze and rinse gajillion times over until the water runs clean and clear. Then I'm going to place the sponges back in the container, fill about halfway with water, and we're going to set this to 1 minute and 40 seconds on high. Be careful when removing this after the time is up. I recommend either letting it sit first or using an oven mitt to remove. You literally can see the steam coming off of these, I'm telling you. And warning you, they're hot, but sanitized. Once they're cooled down, they're good as new. This is really important to help remove bacteria, especially for anyone that's acne prone. Hack 5 is for those of you who don't like to wash your hair every day, or maybe you're running late. If you don't have dry shampoo, then baby powder is your next best bet, especially for those of you who also have lighter color hair. So this is day-old hair. I'm just a grease ball and my roots get really greasy. Luckily, I have this giant bottle of baby powder, which has many other uses, but it makes for great, cheap, dry shampoo. All you're gonna do is sprinkle a small amount onto your scalp, then use your nails, fingers, and brush to blend this in the hair, soaking up any excess oil. This is gonna give a very fresh, clean scent to the hair, but also soak up the oils to get rid of the greasy look, while also giving volume to your hair. I would love to know what your favorite beauty hack is, or which one of these you're most excited to try. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.